Design and print your labels the simple way with the HERMA Label Assistant Online. The Layout Assistant is a really convenient way of customizing the available templates simply and rapidly. Launch the Layout Assistant using the sidebar on the left of the design screen. You will be guided right up to printing out your label in just 4 simple steps. At the start, all the text fields in the selected template are displayed. You can now overwrite them or delete them. In the next step, you can edit the sample image in the template. You can either keep it, delete it, replace it by an image from your computer. In the Sheet Navigator, you can then choose whether to use your design for one single label, several labels, the entire sheet. Lastly, you can either choose to make further changes on the design screen or continue to print straight away. You can then save the document displayed in the print preview to your computer as a PDF file and print it out. You can read about all the functions and tips again anytime in the Help section. HERMA Label Assistant Online. Designing and printing made easy.